Alright, so this is Kenny Santos out of Toronto, Canada for KennySantos.com. Do you want to know why switching to different companies and looking for greener pastures doesn't work for a majority of network marketers? And you've probably seen it before. Maybe it's a friend of yours, maybe it's you, but you join a company, or actually I shouldn't say you, but maybe you, but in this example I'll use a friend. Maybe your friend joins a company and they're super excited about it. They start giving everyone all this hype, saying we got the best comp plan or something like that, and then 3 to 6 months later they're part of another company that's even better, that has an even better comp plan. And the thing about this is that when it comes to greener pastures in network marketing, people think that they're switching because their company is just too antiquated. Maybe they say the methods are too old, or they're old school, or maybe their comp plan is old school. Well, I'll tell you, there's 2 network marketing companies that are really old school. It's Amway and Herbalife. And now I'm not part of any one of those companies, but I will tell you this, is that your network marketing company, whatever company that is, will never have the volume that Amway does. Will never have the volume that Herbalife does. Will never have the amount of distributors that they do, because it's so incredibly high. And are their comp plans antiquated? You know what? The thing is, their comp plans may be old school, but one thing that happens is that they work. Their methods may be old school, but they work. And can you apply quote-unquote newer or modern efforts into their particular business? Absolutely. So it's not about finding a greener pasture. It's finding the best company for you. That's what it's about. And if you are getting excited because a company has better timing, or if you're getting excited because a company has a better comp plan, you're going to find another company that has a better comp plan 3 to 6 months later. And you're certainly going to find another company that's better timing 3 to 6 months later. So don't base your excitement on that. Base it on the leadership. Base it on the product. Actually, the product's where it's at. All right, if you can get excited about the product and find some other people that are excited about the product, then they'll never leave. All right, if you're going to be buying that product and telling people about the product, whether you get paid or not, that's the magic company. If for you, if you can find other people that will love the product and tell other people about the product, whether they get paid or not, that's the magic company. If it's about the comp plan, there's always going to be a better comp plan out there. All right, because it's just so easy to look at someone else's comp plan and make it better by improving on it. So a new company could just come along and say, we got a better comp plan, and then everyone jumps ship. So, but if you're excited about the product, your team's excited about the product, it gets a lot easier to get loyalty on your team, and it gets a lot easier for you to grow your team. So I trust you got some great value out of this. What I invite you to do, sorry about the noise. What I invite you to do is to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this, go over to my blog. It's KennySantos.com. Put your name and email in and get an awesome audio in growing your business. All right, take care and create a great day.